Long ago, in the age of gods, on Mount Olympus ruled the mighty king of gods, Zeus. But Zeus was not kind to humans, because a titan named Prometheus stole fire from the gods and gave it to mankind, and Zeus was furious. So Zeus devised a new plan. He ordered the gods to create the first woman. From clay and water, Hephaestus shaped a figure unlike anything the world had seen. Then the gifts began. Athena gave her intelligence, the ability to learn, to adapt. Aphrodite gave her beauty, the kind that could soften hearts without a word. Hermes gave her a voice, persuasive, charming. But Zeus gave her something else, curiosity.
And with it, he sealed her fate. Her name was Pandora, the one who carries all gifts. But the final gift was not within her. It was placed in her hands. Before sending her to Earth, Zeus gave Pandora a jar, sealed tight, unmarked. "Do not open it," Zeus said. Pandora descended to the world of men. She felt warm and safe. She lived among them as one of them, and soon married Epimetheus. Prometheus had warned him, never accept gifts from Zeus. But Epimetheus ignored the warning. At first, everything was peaceful, but that jar sat in the corner, silent, waiting. Day after day, Pandora stared at it. What could be inside? Why was it forbidden? The question grew louder until it became unbearable. One day, when no one was watching, Pandora slowly approached the jar. Her breath slowed. "Zeus told me not to." Her hands trembled. "This is wrong," she whispered. But her fingers didn't listen. Slowly, the seal broke. She lifted the lid. Inside the jar, something was hidden, something waiting to escape. A dark cloud burst out, filling the air like smoke, spreading faster than sight. Pandora stumbled back, horrified. "No, no, no!" Sickness, pain, greed, envy, hatred, disease, fear, despair. All the evils of the world escaped into humanity. Pandora screamed. She slammed the jar shut. But it was too late. The damage was done. "What have I done?" Tears filled her eyes. But then she heard something. A soft voice from inside the jar. With trembling hands, Pandora opened the jar again, just a little. And from within, a gentle light emerged. It was hope. Hope floated into the world quietly, softly. A reminder that even in the darkest times, something still remained.